Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert XML data to JSON with just few lines of code in Laravel. It comes with a very handy package I found on GitHub. Here we have it, and first of all let's look over our application. It's a freshly installed Laravel app. I've got a data.xml file in my public folder with some raw data generated by ChatGPT. So basically I've got data from a library, we've got books with IDs, title, author, year, and so on. We are going to use this to convert it to JSON. Let's go. So first of all, we have to install Composer require this package. Let's copy it and run it into our terminal. And while it's installing, let's look over the documentation and usage. Actually, it's very simple. We just have to access the convert facade, and we've got two methods, XML to JSON and XML to array. Today, we are going to use this one. Okay, it's ready. Let's go to our routes, and first of all, let's use this facade. I'm gonna copy it from here, not to waste time. Where is it? Here it is. Let's paste it. And I'm gonna do the conversion right here in the routes file because it's not out of code and I don't want to create a controller. Let's go. So first of all, we need to grab the data from that file. Let's create a variable where we are going to store the XML data, and we are going to call it XML data equals file get contents, and we are going to get it from data.xml. Public path, and inside here we have to give the name of the file with extension. Okay, let's dive down this to see if we can access the data inside that file. I'm gonna run the application php artisan serve, and let's see if this is working. Yes, as you can see, we're accessing the data from data.xml file. Let's convert it to JSON. We are going to access the convert. Actually, let's create a variable. So data JSON, where we are going to store the data, and we are going to access the convert facade and the method convert. Let's see if we got, we've got the suggestions XML to JSON. Okay, here inside the brackets, we have to give the data, the XML data. Okay, let's die and dump this now. Data JSON. And let's see if this worked. As you can see, it worked. Our data is converted into JSON. Okay, let's return it as JSON. So we're going to return response JSON decode our data JSON with the true parameter, which is going to make it an associative array. Yes, we've got it. Okay, now let's suppose you want to transfer this data into a separate JSON file. So you want to store the data to a JSON file. We are going to create a new file and then write the JSON data to that file. Okay, let's create it also here in the public folder, data.json. Okay, we've got an empty JSON file, and let's write the content from this variable to this file. We can use the file facade from Laravel, file, put, and inside here we have to specify the path to the file and the data. Okay, let's create a variable which is going to hold the path. So path to JSON file equals public path data.json. And inside here, the first parameter is going to be path to JSON file. And the second parameter is going to be our data. Okay, but before that, we have to import it, otherwise we're going to get an error. Which one is it? Illuminate. Yes, this one. Okay, now we can test it. We are going to refresh the page and let's check our data.json. As you can see, our data has successfully transferred to the data.json file. So from data.xml, we converted it to JSON and we wrote the JSON data to a new file. If you or your company needs a custom web application or you're searching for someone to build a Laravel project tailored to your needs, feel free to contact me. You'll find the contacts in the description of this video.